Now that we have our channels created, we're ready to make some recipes. Recipes are automated tasks that consist of a trigger and an action. As you will see in a moment, if this happens, then do that. We're currently on our channels page. Locate and tap on the profile menu top left and tap the dashboard link. On your dashboard's page, you can find ready-made recipes shared by others that you may choose to use in your account. We'd like to make our own recipes. Locate and tap on the My Recipes link top center to view your existing recipes. As you can see, we have no recipes created. Tap on the blue Create a Recipe button to begin creating your own recipe. Tap on the big blue This link to create a trigger. We're going to use our WordPress blog as our main trigger, so locate and tap on the WordPress icon. We now have two choices. We can set a new post, or we can differentiate posts with a tag or a category. For this example, we'll use Any New Post. So let's tap on the Any New Post link. We now have to specify what happens when a new post is created. So tap on the blue Create Trigger button, followed by the blue That link to view our options. Once again, we're taken to our channels page. Let's locate and tap on the Facebook icon. We now have three options to choose from. We can create a status message, a link post, or a photo URL. Let's create a link post back to our blog by tapping on the link for that option. In this last step, we can fine-tune the specifics of our Facebook post by adding some ingredients if we wish. Locate and tap on the Select an Ingredient drop-down menu. I want to include the title of our blog post to our Facebook post. So I'm going to tap on the Post Title option and then the blue Post Title box to add the title to our post URL tag that's already there. Let's repeat those steps and include the Post Content tag as well. And last, let's include a message with our post. Our recipe is complete. We'll just need to give it a reference description and tap on the Create Recipe button to finish. Well, that was easy. Let's create another by tapping on the blue Create Recipe button and the blue Then link. We'll repeat the process by using a WordPress blog post as a trigger. Locate and tap on the Twitter icon. Once again, we'll have a few options to select from. I want to simply post a tweet announcing my blog, so I'll tap on the Post a Tweet link in blue. I'm going to add tags and categories to my tweet to help direct my tweet on Twitter. So I'll add tags and categories to my post and click on the blue Create Action button. Once again, we'll leave a description to identify this recipe, tap on the blue Create Recipe button, and we're done. Let's try a couple more. Same steps using a WordPress blog post as a trigger. This time, let's locate and tap on the Tumblr icon. From the choices, I'd like to create a link post, so I'll tap on the link for that option. For Tumblr, I'd like to add an image, so I'll choose First Image URL from the Ingredients menu. I'm also going to add a tag for my posts. Tap the Create Action button, add my description, and create my recipe. We now have 3 recipes. Let's try a few more. Using our WordPress blog post as a trigger again, we'll select the Blogger icon by tapping on it. In the options, I'll tap on the Create a Post link to select it. I like the ingredients here, but I'm going to add a label here. I'll click the Create Action button, add a description, and create a recipe. Let's add another. Once again, using our WordPress blog post as a trigger, we'll select the Email option by tapping on the email icon. Here we only have one option, that is, to send me an email when a new post is made. I'll tap on it to select it. I'm going to add the post date from the ingredients menu, and I'm ready to create the action. Let's add the description and create the recipe. Let's try one more using Twitter as a trigger. This time we'll tap on the Twitter icon to select it. There's 11 choices for Twitter. I want to know when someone mentions me on Twitter, so I'll tap on that option. When I'm mentioned on Twitter, I'd like to be notified by email, so I'll tap on the email icon as an action. I only have one option to select, and I'm happy with the existing ingredients here, so I'll tap to create the action, give it a description, and create the recipe. So to summarize, any new blog post to our WordPress blog will result in duplicate posts on Blogger, Tumblr, Facebook, and an email sent to me to verify. In addition, any retweet or mention of my Twitter username will result in an email to me to let me know I've been mentioned. As you can see, I can add as many recipes as I have channels, automating and extending my digital presence. In the next tutorial, we'll test out our new actions.